chocolate chips. We are going to use a mixer, a knife, and glasses. Preparation. Step 1. Cut the strawberries. Step 2. Whip the strawberries. Step 3. Add the ice cream. Whip again. Step 5. Pour some milkshake in a glass. Add cream. Step 7. Decorate with the chocolate chips. Don't use a lot of chips. It's delicious. Bye bye.
Bye.